if the gut-brain axis is deranged, not only bloating, right? So it could also cause acid reflux disease in kids. Is that a common problem?
Yes, nowadays I am getting a lot of kids. I'm doing endoscopies in the kids,
Mm.
and I'm finding because of excessive stress, excessive social media use, and junk food, lot of kids are getting acid reflux. They will not say I'm having heartburn. They will say I'm having chest pain, discomfort, I'm having tummy pain. But if I do endoscopies, I find redness. I find some ulcers also.
In the stomach.
Yes, I find that. And in some of the cases, if the irregular meal timings are there, if they are deficient in minerals and vitamins, then their gastroesophageal valve gets loose. So there is a valve between your food pipe and the stomach, which gets lax, and then acid comes up. So these things are common because of modern lifestyle and because of the food, excess processed and junk food. So yes, we are seeing these things.
These things. How about in pregnant women?
Pregnant women, naturally also they feel more bloated. Naturally, the tendency of having acid reflux increases, which is a normal physiological change also, because in pregnancy progesterone increases, the hormones are changing, and which relaxes the muscles of the GI tract. So smooth muscles gets relaxed. So the same valve which is there between food pipe and stomach, it gets loosened up. So normally it is tight and food is not coming up. But because it is lax, the food and acid will come up. So this will give you feeling of bloating, reflux, and excess burps, uneasiness in the chest. That is one thing. Second thing is because of the uterus is growing, child is growing. So it will compress the intestines and the stomach also. Okay, that will also give you bloating
And push up.
Yeah, and the hormonal changes also affects the digestion. Okay, and like parents will say eat this, that, too much of heavy fatty meals and all, that will also cause reflux, and then the burping and bloating issues. So these are common issues. Spicy food may aggravate it. Okay, excess oily spicy food may aggravate it. But by and large, this is a physiological change which happens because of hormones and the progressing uterus size.
And coming to the deficiencies, vitamin and mineral deficiency that you're talking about, is iodine deficiency is something that you see on a daily basis?
So iodine deficiency as such, nobody will come to you directly that way.